Hearty welcome to this wonderful session on Sleep and Grow Rich. A very interesting title. Actually, this is the title of a book I picked up from a store about a couple of decades back, 20 years back. And I had that in my library, in my collection. I had read it a few times. Very interesting book. Grow Rich While You Sleep. That is the title of the book. And it talks about the subconscious mind, how you can program your subconscious mind with your last thought, which is the technique which we are using in Science of Miracles, and how you can change your patterns, your subconscious equations in the sleep. If you develop your awareness of the sleep, you can actually reformat your subconscious mind, and whatever unwanted patterns are there, you can erase, and you can actually prepare yourself while sleeping for the richness. Okay, that was one aspect. That is dealing with the subconscious mind. There's a book, and very wonderful book, even though the title is very attractive, very catchy, but the book is equally profound. So I will recommend that if you get the book, please read. It was costing only 100 rupees then, black colored book. So very interesting book. But you see, my interest grew when myself and Guruma, we went to United States last year, a couple of years back, to attend our daughter's convocation at Carnegie Mellon University. I came across an American who had done lifetime research on this subject, Sleep and Grow Rich, and he came out with his own paper, which was available at less than $100 or so. So I requested our daughter, and I got that report when we were in US. So I studied very neatly that report, because I was very keen on this subject and wanted to know that is it just a sensational topic, or is there any substance in it? What I found is that American gentleman had done so much of research that there was so much of substance in it, which means that there are ways to become rich while you sleep, and actually you don't need to put efforts. So what I understood is, first of all, we all have been drilled in our mind that you need to work very hard, only then you earn money. Of course, that is the reality for 99% people, because 99% people believe that way. You see, there are 1% people who are smart earners, and they have found those methodologies, and they are also earning. So what I did is I actually interviewed some of the people, because I just don't believe in hearsay, kahi suni batein, I don't believe. I wanted to know whether there are actually people who have implemented these ideas and they have become rich. There are, and there are many. Okay. Now I also belong to that category, because I have implemented over a period of last few years very, very systematically some of these ideas, and these ideas are working. But you see, there are a lot of technical things which I want to avoid in today's session, because it will be very boring for those who don't understand the technicalities of the finance. But I will make it a common sense, humorous program for you. I know there are all types of people. There are spiritual people and very good people, because most of the people I see today who are attending, about 57 people are here right now. Majority of you are from our Sangha, or you are friend of a friend, connected, because this I have not marketed well. It's only posted in some of our business groups only, not even spiritual groups. See, the idea is, let's be very clear right in the beginning. What are we trying to do? As a promoter of Om-Prem Sangha, within my responsibility, what I'm trying to do is create the richest conscious communities, which I have repeatedly posted on Telegram group, our Om-Prem Sangha group. If any of you are not there, you are welcome to join. There are no fees, there are no formalities. It is an open invitation. Anybody who is interested in joining this richest conscious community, I'll be guiding you with many such programs once in a while, because if I do 9 spiritual program, I do 1 financial program. The idea is to balance the life. See, when we talk about Enlightened Billionaire Program, growing spiritually is very good. Some of you are already settled with your financial needs and all. You are very good. There is no issue about that. But there are many youngsters in our group, who are very serious about spiritual progress, but they are still struggling with the settling their life financially. So for that age group, or for those people who are still struggling with money, I wanted to give a very balanced approach to life, which is exactly what our Enlightened Billionaire Program is all about. And it's a very healthy philosophy. You see, very spiritual and having no money, not able to enjoy, not able to travel, that's not a very good idea, according to me. In the modern world, you should have sufficient money in your pocket. You should have a very healthy relationship with money. Healthy relationship, which means sufficiently affluent. I'm not telling you should be greedy about it. No, not at all. One should not be greedy about money. But one should have a healthy relationship with money, and that's very important. And if possible, we should have a steady income which comes without you working. See, for example, last 6 months, because of the lockdown, many people lost their job, many people lost their business. But those who were working on my model, Sleep and Grow Rich, they were absolutely not affected. They were very happy, enjoying their life, because continuous income keeps coming. So this is a very valid subject. Okay. And I'm going to tell you lots of methods of how at any age, no matter what is your financial position, you can actually implement some of the common sense things which I'm going to tell you. I'm not going to enter into the extremely technical things which are difficult to understand for a common man. There are a lot of such things also, but I'm going to tell you something very, very simple, common sense based. Any common man at any age, you see, whether you are a student studying and want some money, or you are a senior citizen who have completed the inning and you are interested in enjoying life, spend on yourself, do charity. Even for doing charity, you see, you need some extra money. If you have some extra money, you can do the charity of your choice, do some good work for people. All that is possible. So number one is, let's have the attitude of healthy relationship with life and with money. That attitude is a very important aspect of household dharma, grahastha dharma. You see, sannyasis will have a different type of approach. Sannyasis are not supposed to have bank account, they are not supposed to touch money, they are not supposed to accumulate money, they are supposed to beg and survive. That is sannyas dharma. Okay. I'm not a sannyasi, nor am I teaching any sannyas dharma. Our model of spirituality is Enlightened Billionaire model, where we are all householder. And if anybody who is a sannyasi here who is attending, please leave the space, because this is not meant for sannyasi. Okay, sannyasi will get troubled with what I'm talking. Okay, I'm going to tell you how to amass wealth without working. This is definitely not part of the sannyas dharma. So sannyasis will have a lot of trouble listening to what I'm talking, but this is very good for householders, very good for common men, very good for senior citizens, especially, those who feel little anxiety because of uncertainties of the modern era. You can be very, very happy with whatever I'm going to talk. And those who are wanting to retire early, you see, I decided that I'm not going to retire at 60. I'm right now at 60, but I retired at 47. My target was 45, but 2 years, because of industrial licenses and warranty guarantee 1 year and all, so it went to 47. I officially completed the whole business very nicely and shifted it to somebody, and completely out from my active industrial electronic business. So at 47, I retired, and ever since then, I had been traveling the world, enjoying with my friends, teaching so many different subjects, and life is a wonderful picnic. Daily it's a picnic. And even in the lockdown, sitting at home with so many wonderful friends like you, I keep talking, it's a picnic daily. Okay. So how to have that? So the number one attitude, let's all understand, is healthy attitude towards money. Even as a spiritual person, you must have healthy attitude towards money. If you are a householder, if you are a sannyasi, simply don't bother. Sannyasi's ways are totally different. But if you are a householder, if you are married, if you have children, if you have responsibilities, and you have to survive on your own, you are not with the begging bowl, you are not a sannyasi, then of course whatever I'm telling you will be very, very useful to you. All right, so let's get into the subject. Simple common sense approach to sleep and grow rich. Very simple. First thing I can tell you, if you already have money, okay, and if you buy a commercial property, small office, maybe in city like Bombay, even if you have 100 or 200 square feet small shop in a busy market area, that small shop can get you the rent of 1 or 2 lakhs rupees per month, and that can be a fantastic passive income for you. But let me tell you, this is not true if you have an extra flat and if you rent. It's a negative cash flow proposition in most of the areas, unless you are in a very, very elite area where the property prices are high. But this is very much true for the commercial properties. Now, and this is a common sense approach. All of us, we know that if you rent your property, income keeps coming to you month after month. You can enjoy your life. You really don't need to do anything. But this is true for whom? Who have already amassed wealth, who have the property, and they can rent the property. Okay, so this option is open to those people who have the property. Now, suppose somebody doesn't have property. Why doesn't have property? Because you have no money extra, no extra money. So you didn't buy the property. Now, if you don't have extra money and you don't have a property and you still want to sleep and grow rich, then what to do? Yes, then I have a better answer to that. And that's a very difficult thing. I did 20 years of research on that. How many years? 20 years of serious research. And you know my nature, I'm a very serious researcher, but I'm going to present it in a humorous manner because I don't want to bore you. But a lot of financial equations are there, which if you understand, you will be very, very happy, no matter what age you are. You see, this very attitude is very healthy. I'll tell you the reason why we should look into that. Everybody listen carefully. You see, earlier days, average age of Indian masses was 60 years. So by the time you retire, 1 or 2 years you die, no issues. Now the average age has gone to 67, 68. American average is 78. Japanese almost 90. Which means what? You are going to survive after you leave your job at least for 30 years. Listen carefully. Average age of ladies is at least 5 to 6 years more than the average age of gentlemen. All over the world, this is true. Suppose if your wife is 5 years younger to you, you have to plan for your finances for next 30 years, and you have to plan for the finances for your wife for next 40 years when no income is there. Now, this can be a daunting task for many. If you have not thought it that way, start thinking, you will understand what I'm telling you. Once you retire, you see, as long as you have continuous stream of income, you are very happy. But one day you are going to say no to your job, you are going to stop your business for whatever reason. The moment your active income stops, what are your plans? How you are going to survive for 30 to 40 years? And you want to survive with dignity. Okay, not just survive, you want to enjoy your life. 30 to 40 years you want to enjoy your life, and for that, right kind of thinking, my dear friends, that is what is the subject all about. Okay, and let me tell you, I'm not here to promote some kind of a laziness. You know, every time I launch this title, no, Sleep and Grow Rich, many of my lazy friends were the first to join. This is quite an interesting subject. I am myself a lazy person. That's why I got attracted to this subject, and many of my friends are quite lazy like me. So they may not attend my spiritual program, but they will attend my such programs because, you know, that is what attracts them, and that's okay. Okay, you are welcome because you are like me, you are my brother, you are my friend, and it's fine. We match the vibrancy, you know, frequency matches because we want to understand this subject. And I'm going to share my 20 years of research, very serious research. Okay, so this is true, it is possible. How do we do that? So I thought I will design a program and I will teach you systematically certain attitudes, certain skills, certain ways of working, and 100% common sense based. You don't need to have any special technical skills like, share market technical analysis. Now, those who are doing, they are very fine with that. But for a common man, if you say now at the age of 60, you learn share market technical, of course you can learn. Age is just a number. It's not a problem. Many people have learned at the age of 60. Okay. There is one Maharashtrian Aji, a senior lady. She is teaching share market on the YouTube. She is a very popular. Okay. Maharashtrian Aji teaching share market. Yeah, amazing. She gets a few crore hits on her video. Such powerful. Okay. And she learned pretty late. So age is a number, my dear friend. Anybody can start anything at any time. Do you know the KFC brand, Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC? Mr. Kentucky started KFC after the age of 60 when he got retired. And KFC is a big brand today. So you can actually start the new inning anytime. If your energy levels are good, if your mind is functioning better, you can earn, you can enjoy life, and age is just a number. So let us not get influenced by the age of the body. Okay. I have another series I have started where I am talking of science of immortality. Okay. 1 or 2 programs will be announced soon. Those who are interested, they can join there. Secrets of Immortality. We have a program, we have another group there, Secrets of Immortality. All of you can join. There are a lot of spiritual insights I'm giving you. How to age gracefully, how to enjoy life. Okay, no matter what age, how to grow your brain cells, you see. When I was 10 to 12 years old, it was difficult for me to get even 35 marks, which was a passing mark in my school time. 35 marks. Out of 100, if you get 35, you get passed as a remark. So I used to fail sometimes. 30, 32 is what maximum I'll get. And 3-4 marks I will get it as a grace. And somehow I passed my schooling in my village. The reason is my brain was not able to hold the knowledge, which means there was something wrong with my memory. When I came to Bombay, I attended some memory techniques, took some medicines, and my brain became all right. Okay. Today, as a scientist, I understand that my neural network was not okay. My memory power was not okay. And that is the reason I was a little slow learner. As a child, I was dyslexic, so difficult to learn. And anyone like me in Bombay, will be put into special school. Thank God, in villages, nobody knew. So I went to normal school. And anyway, there was no special school in the village. There was only one school, whatever you may say. And somehow I completed my schooling. But today, at the age of 60, I know as a scientist that my brain cells are improving. My memory power is improving. My mind is sharper than what it used to be in my school days, college days. I remember a lot more. I daily deliver so many talks, so many counseling sessions without any notes, without any preparation, ever ready, which means what? My mind's capacity is improving day by day. What is the secret? The secret is challenge your brain cells, keep doing something new, keep on studying. Don't retire from your mental activity and don't retire from your physical activity. You may retire from your active money earning activity, but then you have to compensate with a passive money earning activity. So let's come to the subject straight without wasting much of the time. What do I mean by passive income? You see, the passive income is where you don't have to put active efforts for money earning. Your money earns money. That is what is called passive income. Or you delegate your task to the technology and that earns you money. Or you have some special products which keep selling, that earns you money. There are many ways how you get it, but the first fundamental is you don't have to put efforts. That is what is called as the passive income. Come back to the ancient traditional example. You have property, you rented the property. You don't have to put any active efforts in just collecting the rent. Okay, give a standard instructions. Every month the rent will be deposited in your account electronically. You don't even have to go there, remind and collect the rent. The rent will come to your account naturally, okay, as per the contract. Every 3 years or so, you renew the contract. If you are interested, or increase the rent, decrease the rent, whatever you do, it's your choice. So, my dear friend, there are ways to have passive income. If you are already rich, there are many ways. Okay, money earns money if you invest wisely. And if you don't know yourself the investment strategies, you can have a portfolio manager or you can have a consultant and put your money to proper use. You see what is happening in India today is about 6% or so is what you earn from fixed deposit. And if you deduct the TDS and all, your fixed deposit in bank does not compensate for the inflation which is there. Which means if the money is lying in the fixed deposit in the bank, you are a loser. So whatever money you have earned, it's a hard-earned money, you should invest in a right manner where money earns money better than the inflation. Under Indian condition, if you are earning about 12 to 15%, 20% per annum, well, that's a very, very healthy sign. Don't be greedy. Don't aim for 50%, 100%. Because a lot of spongy schemes are going on in the market. So they will attract you, will double your money in 2 years and all wrong nonsense. 12% to 15%, maximum 20% if the market conditions are good is a healthy sign. You should be happy with that. Don't get into very risky thing where we can lose money. So money earns money. That is the concept of enlightened billionaire. Okay. But that is again, if you have the money. Many young people who are still starting their career or some senior citizens who have retired but don't have much money because they have used money for the daughter's marriage and few occasions and finished up the money. Then what to do? That is where my presentation will help you, my dear friend. Let me start my presentation and I will guide you very systematically how to sleep and grow rich. By the end of the presentation, you will have a sufficiently good knowledge of how you can sleep and grow rich. It's a very valid subject. Even though it's a little funny title, but there's a lot of stuff in this. So listen carefully. I'll start my presentation. All right. So here it is. Here we go. So this was the book, I stumbled upon. I told you that Sleep and Grow Rich. Prosper while you sleep. This is the title of the book. Prosper while you sleep. This book is available on Amazon. You can buy. You can read. It's a very good book. Okay, it will give you a sufficiently good insights. And no matter your age, read carefully, slowly, set your mindset right. Start thinking on those lines of passive income. Even if your active earning is very good, I will still recommend that you start thinking on those lines because it takes a little time for mind to get tuned. So it takes about, say, 2 to 3 years for you to grasp the concept and set up your life so that actually you start getting the passive income. It takes time. So start doing it. It's very good. In our on-prem Sangha, to make it a richest conscious community, we seriously want to promote this concept, this mindset, this attitude of sleep and grow rich. All right. So these are the various images you see on the screen. Attract wealth and prosperity, receive abundance while you sleep. This is from the angle of subconscious mind. Okay, that I will talk some other time. There's a lot of material available on how to program your subconscious while sleeping and sleep and grow rich. That is another concept. Okay, this is how the visuals I just want to show you so that you understand and feel attracted toward the subject. You are sleeping and you can see a lot of money. Money is growing on its own. Okay. I'm not selling you dream, but this visual will actually help you to format your subconscious mind and you will get ready for that. You can become money magnet like this. Even when you are doing nothing, money can keep coming. And that is what is the passive income concept. Okay. Now, how to actually do it? So I'm going to tell you a small story of these two village boys, Ramu and Raju. So Ramu wanted to earn money, and you see the village didn't have any well for the drinking water, and everybody will go 2 or 3 kilometers away to the river and fetch the water and come back home. So Ramu started helping people with his 2 big buckets, and he put his mechanism in order. He'll go to the river, get the water and sell this water to the villagers, and that's how he started earning money. His another friend Raju also started that way, but when he started doing every day and every day of the week, no rest, he felt tired. So he started thinking little differently. He said, I cannot do this business, and even if I don't do it one day, then my business is gone, my income is gone, people are unhappy, customers are unhappy. So I cannot really do it day in, day out. Okay, it's like a 9 to 5 job on a daily basis with no Saturday, Sunday, because people want water every day. So it was difficult. So Ramu kept on doing the same thing. He will do exercises and kept his health good, take good rest, and went on doing the same thing. Raju started thinking differently. He said, how do I avoid this hard work? Because if I'm going to grow old, I will not be able to do. And anyway, doing it on a daily basis is quite a troublesome thing. So Raju started thinking smart, and he thought of idea of putting a pipeline from the river. So he built a tank at a little height. He put a pump, and from the river, he pumped the water to the water tank at the high level, and he put a pipeline, and he put the water meter and gave the connection to the every villager, and he was resting, relaxing, he was sleeping and growing rich. This is the story of Raju, which tells us that yes, you can put the pipeline, put the meter, and you can sleep and grow rich. Ramu went on doing the same thing. Actually, Ramu lost his business because now the water was available from the pipeline. And Ramu was feeling very frustrated. Even though he was willing to put hard work, there was no money because the business was gone. And Raju became a rich man, sleeping at home because the pump will work, the pipeline was there, the water people will get, and he will get his money monthly basis without any issues. So, my dear friends, this is the story. Ramu is no but somebody who is actually putting 9 to 6 job on a daily basis, going to the office, doing the same job. If you don't go to the office, you don't get paid. So that is the job of a Ram. No matter that, you still need it, and don't leave your job, because a lot of people are losing the job. So I'm not telling you to drop out from the job. I'm telling you, don't think like Ramu, think like Raju. Raju is smart thinker. Even when he's working, he's thinking of pipeline, and he started putting the pipeline, because putting the pipeline takes time. And he put 3 to 5 years in putting the pipeline, and he became a rich man with peace of mind. Rich man with peace of mind. That is a very important aspect. Once you have put your mechanism in a proper perspective, money keeps coming, a lot of peace of mind is there, you can enjoy the life and do what you like. So let's compare this business model. Okay, what Ramu was doing is called a bucket model. Take a couple of buckets to the river, fetch the water, bring it, sell it to the people, you earn money. What Raju did was the pipeline model. So here is a comparison. You see, what is the investment you need in the bucket model? Almost nil. You need 2 buckets. What did Raju did? Raju also had 2 buckets. So he went on doing the same thing. But little amount he started putting, and he put his time and prepared the pipeline. Small investments, but he invested a lot of his time. He prepared the pipeline. What did Ramu do? It's called 40-40-40 model. 40 means 40 hours per week. On an average, everywhere in the world, it is 40 hours per week. In India, we have got 48 hours per week, which is the normal industrial worker or manager will put per week. But all over the world, this is known as the 40-40-40 model. So 40 hours per week is what you put. On an average, people work for 40 years. Okay, roughly say about 20 years you start and 60 years you retire, or 25 years you start, 65 years you retire. On an average, people work for 40 years. So second 40 is the 40 years. And what is the quality of life when you are working like that? 40%. You cannot enjoy 100%. You can enjoy only 40% because you are bound by the time and your attendance. So 40-40-40 is the model. That's what most of the people are stuck in their life. If you have the pipeline model, well, you have a flexible time, or you need very little time to earn on a regular basis, and you can be fully independent. earning capacity, your salary, no matter how fat the pay packet may be, but it is what it is, limited. In pipeline model, it is ever increasing. So there is no limit of your earning. Enjoyment, fun aspect, very little, or it's very costly. On your own, you have to do. In the pipeline model, a lot of fun because you are free, your time, and you can do it at no cost because your pipeline helps you to earn extra money. Social relationship will always remain limited because when you are working, you don't have much time. While in the pipeline model, extremely high because you have all the time that you want. You see, even rich people who are working, they are not able to enjoy their life because they don't have time to enjoy. That time factor is very important. That's where the pipeline model comes into picture. 7-dimensional progress, that's our basic philosophy. Health dimension, mental dimension, emotional dimension, time dimension, spiritual dimension, and financial dimension. So all the 7 dimensions you have to grow. When you are working, there will be limited growth. But in the pipeline model, is very high growth in all the 7 dimensions that is possible. Foreign holidays and that fun aspect, almost negligible because very little time. Here you got all the time. You can go 6 times on holidays per annum, no issues. So this is the comparison between the bucket model and the pipeline model. Normal job that people do will come under the bucket model. Even self-employed people, you see, for example, a doctor, an engineer, a consultant, a teacher, a makeup artist, all these people will also come under the bucket model because if you stop working, there is no income for you. But industrialists will come in the pipeline model. Industrialist not attending to the industry, sitting at home, but his team is working, managers are working, workers are there, income keeps coming. So that is a pipeline model. But self-employed people come under bucket model. A chartered accountant who stops working will stop getting his payment. A doctor who does not attend to OPD, income will stop. If you are not working, no income. An architect who doesn't go to the site, doesn't attend to the customer, immediately the income will stop. So self-employed people are also in the bucket model category. Listen very carefully. Even though you are a businessman, you are a self-employed person, but you still come into the bucket model. It's not the pipeline model. That is why I'm changing the thinking today. Okay, all of us, let's think. So this new thinking is called the freedompreneur. That is the new word I have coined. And this is what I promote for every on-prem Sangha member. Let us be freedompreneur, entrepreneur. You have the word entrepreneur. From there, freedompreneur. So new concept altogether. And how to do that? Because the modern world technology allows you to do that. You can see the logo on the left side, Certified Digital Life Coach. That is the new program I created to make you freedompreneur. So let's understand the concept of freedompreneur. You can be a freedompreneur. This is kind of a setup that you see. This lady is using the laptop. She's not working there, sitting on the beach. Actually, she's planning to buy the tickets for the flight and booking the 5-star hotel. And she is planning for her next holiday destination. Same, this gentleman is also doing that. That's what freedompreneur is. Not working on the laptop, planning for holiday. That is what you need the laptop for. Okay, this lady is also doing that. And this gentleman, very much a freedompreneur. Just get a feel of it, what I'm trying to tell you with a freedompreneur concept. It's a real concept. You can be a freedompreneur. Okay. This is a really good visual in a hammock, enjoying life, enjoying holidays, and income keeps coming. That's what is the meaning of the word freedompreneur. You can see this guy, but he's wearing a coat. You know why? Because he's about to become the freedompreneur. You can see he's not wearing his pants. And he's doing his last Zoom meeting. You see, this is the last Zoom meeting. After that, he will become a fully freedompreneur. So many people do something like this. And this is the setup which is waiting for you. You can also become a freedompreneur if you understand what I'm telling you today. How to become a freedompreneur. Let's understand. So very few fundamentals I'm going to teach you today very rapidly. First is a fundamental mindset change, attitudinal correction that we need to do. And it says shift from SOA to OOA. What does it mean? SOA means self-oriented approach. OOA means other-oriented approach. So, my dear friends, what we need to do is shift from narrow mentality or selfish mentality to universal mentality, other-oriented mentality. How can I be of help to others? How can I help other people? That is called other-oriented attitude. That's what we need. Instead of self-oriented attitude, what we need is a other-oriented attitude. Start helping people, because there are lots of people all over the globe who need help. No matter whatever your skills, whatever your talent are there, you start using, you start helping. As a byproduct money comes, you become a freedompreneur. So the first concept that we need to drill into our mind is not about selfish motive, self-centric behavior, narrow-mindedness. No, it's all about reaching out to people, helping people, serving people, other-oriented approach. So technically, what do you need to do for that? Find out who is your target audience, whom you are going to serve. Understand the need of your TA. TA means target audience. Understand the need of your target audience. Fulfill the need using your skills or talents, whatever abilities you have, your knowledge, and stay focused on the higher needs of people, because people everywhere in the world need this aspect. So that is the first point, how you become a freedompreneur. Second point is be a problem solver. Let me tell you, this is a fantastic idea. Just absorb it, let it sip into your being, and you will never face any problem as far as the money is concerned. Lifetime guaranteed. Listen carefully. If you can solve people's problem at a reasonable cost, you will be always in the business. Always. There is no dearth of opportunities for those people who can solve people's problems at a reasonable cost. You see, you become a go-to person. Anybody has a problem, they'll remember you. Oh, he's the person whom you go to, and that is what gives the stability to your business. So become a problem solver. Offer problem-solving products, problem-solving programs, problem-solving services. Focus on that. Develop yourself for that. And go deeper into human psychology, solve deeper level problems, because lives are quite complicated. Human mind is very complicated. Go deeper and find out how do you go out of the clutches of law of karma. Okay, that is my next talk I'm going to give in one of the inner circle. How to go out of the clutches of law of karma. Everybody is governed by law of karma, but do you know there's a spiritual freedom? There is a way to go out of the clutches of the law of karma. Law of karma will not be valid for you if you do certain things. Now, this is, I got that knowledge because I went very deep into the human psychology, understood what are the deeper levels of human beings, and I give the solutions from a very deep level. And that's why people come to me. You can also do the same thing. Go deeper and help people solve their problems. So be a problem solver and do it at a reasonable cost. You will always be in the business, does not matter what age. Age is just a number in that case. Your income keeps coming. And keep your mind sharp and alert. Let me give you at this level. I personally did it. I give myself a challenge daily. Okay, 3 to 4 hours of doing something new. And for last 10 years, I'm doing that. Seriously, my brain cells are growing. That is the way to grow your brain cells, my dear friend. You will enjoy your life better. Do something new daily. Give yourself a challenge. Okay, push your comfort zone little ahead and become uncomfortable on a daily basis, and you will understand that this is possible. You see, I'm doing it right now. I'm a spiritual man. I'm giving spiritual program. Why did I choose to give this program? Well, it's a challenge to myself and help my friends. 10% of my friends need it. 90% are into spiritual things. But why should I leave those 10% people? They need it. Let them come. Let them learn. I have so many years experience. I had been doing it. I can share my experience and help people. Third item is focus on passive income. Now, this is where that sleep and grow rich concept comes into picture. See, what are the ways? First of all, I told you, rent a property. This is a traditional model. So this is valid. Second thing is write a book. When you write a book and book keeps selling, and there are now Kindle versions, e-copies and e-books and audiobooks and whatnot. So your book keeps selling and every time you have income. You see my book 21 Point Technology of Total Transformation is selling on Amazon. Okay, every now and then I see some money coming in. I like that idea. I'm not doing anything. I just gave 2 talks at Muscat. Our friend from Sultan Qaboos University, they made a team, they transcribed, they edited, and Guruma did the final editing. And we launched the book. 2,000 copies were sold. Now it's out of print, but the electronic copy is available on the Amazon, and people are buying, and some income keeps coming to me. So I like this idea. So this year I'm going to write 4 or 5 books and put this Kindle version on the. It's absolutely free and 70-30 royalty business. 70% comes to me as an author, 30% goes to Amazon for selling. I think it's a very healthy way. And I'm able to reach out to people. That's my main mission, to reach out to the people with my knowledge, with my understanding, with my wisdom. And as a byproduct, money keeps coming in my account. That's Sleep and Grow Rich concept. Automate your e-learning program. That's exactly what I'm going to teach you in this Certified Digital Life Coach. Anybody can do that at any age. Open your YouTube video channel. You can see I have already uploaded about 300 videos, and my videos are getting me a lot of inquiries, a lot of new customers, a lot of fan followers. Okay, lots of people who have seen my videos. They come, they contact me, and they're becoming part of the Sangha. In fact, I'm able to achieve my mission because of my video channel. Franchising is another way. If you don't want to start anything, somebody is already good, you become a franchisee, and that's the way you can earn. Affiliate marketing, for those who are technically competent and who understand affiliate marketing, you can do that sitting at home. You need not develop the program. If I have developed the program, you can sell my programs and still earn from my program, become my partner. And that is what is known as the collaboration. So there are many such ways to sleep and grow rich. And I'm going to teach lots of such fundamentals so that you can enjoy life. The fourth point is enjoy life. Everybody is supposed to enjoy life. That's the way it is. Life is designed for enjoyment. But you see people become too serious, then there are difficulties, and then you have a EMI to pay, and then loans to be completed, and property is mortgaged, then you have to recover your papers, and all lot of issues are there. That doesn't allow you to enjoy the life. So if we teach our children, our grandchildren, right from the beginning, what is the right mindset for money? What is the right attitude towards money? If we teach our children, our grandchildren, the next generation will be totally different, and we will not have to work like a donkey for so many years, which is absolutely wrong, because we miss the life, we don't enjoy the life doing that. So new attitude, new approach is necessary so that we can enjoy the life. So how do we do that? I'm going to tell you at a nutball level right now how to do that. So there are types of business. You see, consulting or teaching one-to-one, which means if you are not teaching, you are not earning. You can increase your income by training one-to-many, like the meeting that we are doing right now is training one-to-many. So that way, with a small amount that you charge from the people, your income can be more if the number of people joining are more, which is very, very healthy. Because if you hire a consultant or a teacher and learn one-to-one, it's going to be costly. It's always good mindset to learn in a small group of people, and that's very, very powerful, so that you spend less and you earn more, and other students also contribute to your learning. There can be nice group discussions, there can be sharing on the groups, and very interesting things happen. This is a very healthy environment. So learn in a small group of like-minded people so that per unit cost is less. The teacher is also happy, students are also happy, and a very low cost we can manage. But there's a third type of business that is what exactly is for the Sleep and Grow. It's called the leverage model. It's called create once and sell many times and keep selling. You see, for example, my Technology of Total Transformation book, once that Kindle copy version is put, it takes only few minutes. It keeps on selling and money keeps coming. I don't have to do anything for that because it is there on the Amazon, and money keeps coming without me or my involvement in an active manner. So this is called the leverage model. This is a very, very healthy model. And there are many such models through which you can leverage your talent, your skill, your ability, your knowledge, your wisdom. That is exactly what is Sleep and Grow. Is a very powerful concept, and that's what I'm promoting today. So leverage model is what I'm teaching, and that's what how you do that. You see, this is a leverage model. Many people are doing it. Big brands like Deepak Chopra, Anthony Robbins are doing it. Create once and sell many times. So it can be your ebooks, it can be your audio programs, your video programs, webinars, or software that you develop, applications that you develop. Today, technology is so easily available. You see, for example, you create your YouTube channel absolutely free. YouTube does not charge you anything. Infinite space availability. I already uploaded 300 videos, and at least 100 more videos will be uploaded in 1 or 2 months time, because all are getting edited. Lots of videos are coming in. So my dear friends, you work only once, and if you understand the fundamentals of leverage model, that is called delegating your job to your technology, not to people. People means again somebody is working. We are not wanting that. We want to delegate our task to the technology, which is free. Somebody else is maintaining. YouTube is maintained by somebody. Google is maintained by somebody. Zoom is maintained by somebody. You pay a small amount or zero amount. That's all. And you earn a lot because it's selling. So there are platforms like Teachable. There's a platform like Udemy, and you put your program there, it keeps selling, and you keep earning money. So there is a way that's called a leverage model. Okay, and that's what exactly I'm going to teach you, how to create that and how to earn continuous income month after month and leave a legacy for your next generation. So the best trend, the latest trend is called blended learning. You see, there is something called face-to-face learning, offline learning, and what we are doing right now is called online learning. So mixture of both with some kind of a automation component is what is known as the blended learning, and that is what is the most important aspect of learning today. So you have a very interesting model, something automated, something on the WhatsApp, something on the Telegram, something on Zoom like this, and something face-to-face like our Himalayan camps where we actually meet and enjoy and trek in the Himalayas and all that. That is called blended learning. That makes it very interesting and very economical. That's the main point. You see, people want to learn, people want to enjoy, but at a reasonable cost. So how do we cut down the cost? We cut down the cost with the help of technology. And that is the best part of this blended learning. That's what we are doing right now. You see, today, once you start thinking on these lines, then the right approach to think further is people don't want to pay you for the data or information. Google gives you free. Never ever attend any training program or any spiritual program or any program for that, even your technical programs. Do not attend for just for the data or information of the knowledge, because that is free. You should not pay money for that. From where does the money comes? When you churn out the data and you give insights, yes, that is useful. You share your insights, you share your wisdom, you share your higher knowledge, you sell your solutions. That is from where the money comes. So when you start thinking of developing a program for yourself, think of what insights, what wisdom, what knowledge, what higher solutions you are going to give to the people, and that's the way you earn money. Not by giving data, information as knowledge, but by giving insight, wisdoms, and solution. That's the way to earn money. And your competency will slowly increase. You see, initially when I'm talking, some of you may be at unconscious incompetence. You don't even know that such thing exists. Wrong intuition is the outcome there. But today you have become conscious that there is something like sleep and grow rich, but I'm not doing it, which means you are now conscious of your incompetency. That is where the wrong analysis can come. Be very careful. Get into conscious competency. My job is to put you from second level to third level through this program. You will come to the level of conscious competency, and your right analysis will come. When you keep doing it, becomes your unconscious competency, and your intuition start functioning. That is the right intuition. Most of the people, 90% of the people succumb to the wrong intuition because they have not grown into awareness of anything for that matter. So intuition is wrong. They don't even know what is the right intuition. Right intuition comes when you become competent, not otherwise. So competency, unconscious competency, so much so that you are not even conscious of it. For example, if you are driving a car, if you are driving day in, day out, you are not conscious, but your unconscious competency is what it makes you the best driver. So anything and everything, you can go to that level of unconscious competency, and that is where your right intuition start functioning. That's exactly what we want. So this is all about competency building program. You see this common sense approach to abundance logo right on the right hand side top corner? That's exactly what is my 20 years of experience in this line. And through the common sense, no technicality, no technical jargon, you don't have to learn to do the coding and all, no difficult digital marketing things, no mass emailing, nothing of that sort. You are using WhatsApp, you are using Telegram, you are using Facebook, whatever little bit competence you have, using only that, how to earn money. So last month I taught how to earn 50,000 per month using only WhatsApp. So many people got fired up and they started doing it. And today I'm going to teach you how to earn 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs rupees per month using the little advanced model. So here we go on increasing your networking spiral on a daily basis, help more and more people. That is the way to earn more. Let people get addicted to your solution. Give such a fantastic solution at such a low cost that people feel attracted to you, and then create masters and let the good work continue, which means what exactly we are doing? Our job is to create the masters, and the masters will also do the job. That's how the whole community grows. The richest conscious community. That is our aim. Everybody will earn, everybody repeat the model. Okay, I'm just creating the model. That's my job as a technologist. You repeat the model and very rapid success, and you create the masters and help everybody to enjoy life. That's what exactly we are here for. So my dear friend, here is the program that I have developed. Earn 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs per month under Indian conditions. You can, if you are in Malaysia, Dubai, Singapore, USA, well, much better than this. What is the program? The program is all about certified digital life coach. What I'm going to teach you common sense approach to abundance, no technical jargon, simple common sense approach, very well developed model, which is based on noetic science and cybernetic science. So cybernetics is a science of success. I did my MBA into that, and I've been practicing cybernetics for the last 30 years and help thousands and thousands of people using cybernetics. So this is a cybernetical approach. That's why it's called common sense approach. No technical jargon there. The model can help you to get promotion in the job. You see, simple things like this. I'm not even telling you to drop out from the job. I'm telling you, if you learn this model, you can get a promotion in your current job. You can start a side business. You can become a weekend entrepreneur. You know what is like a freedompreneur? There's another word called weekend entrepreneur. Work only on Saturday, Sunday, 4 to 6 hours per week, and you can earn one more salary. Whatever salary you are earning from your job, that much income you can have just by working on weekends for a few hours, and that is called weekend entrepreneurs. Okay, so that's also I'm going to teach you. Then scaling up strategies. How do you increase your business? By delegating to technology. How to use technology free of cost. No advertising, paid advertising to Facebook or Google, and no, nothing of that sort. Whatever is available free, how to use that and scale up your business. Problem solving skill. That is my main thing. You see, for example, if the flower has bloomed, the bees will come. You don't have to advertise. The flower doesn't advertise. Bees come searching, seeking. You see, the moment we put that Nayan Diksha video, today somebody from Portugal contacted me. I want to have this Shaktipat Diksha from you. Can you help me? People just saw the video on the YouTube. Just 2 days back, we posted it. And you see, if the flower blooms, the bees will come. You don't have to do much. But problem solving skills are important. Then create your niche. Repeatedly something you do, you become popular, you build your brand, and that's how your competency enhancement happens. People recognize you as a go-to person. You become a thought leader. You become expert in your field. And I'm going to teach you something very special called the secret millionaire formula. How the people have become millionaire. There is some standard format to that. If you understand, your mindset will change, your income starts coming. Create your brand. How to create the personal brand. I did a lot of research on that for the last few years. I created my brand, and you can also create a brand free of cost, no expenses, nothing, and become a freedompreneur. Some income start coming, enjoy life. Don't be greedy about money, but have sufficient money so that you can enjoy your life. The program will start from Sunday, 13th December, and all the Zoom meetings will be at 9 p.m. in the evening, 9 o'clock after your dinner in India time. So it's very good for Dubai people. Of course, for Singapore, Malaysia, it will be a little late, but 9 o'clock is what we have decided. So most of the people can have the dinner and you can attend the meeting a little late. That is how we are going to do this program. So this is what is waiting for you, my dear friend. The setup is ready. Become a freedompreneur. And the investment that you need to do for this program is 48,000 rupees, because I'm going to teach you how to earn 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs rupees per month, month after month, consistently. But I'm going to charge you only 48,000 rupees. But all the On-Prem Sangha members who are attending the meeting live today, for you, the deadline is up to tomorrow evening midnight, because today the banks are closed. Some people are going to deposit tomorrow. That's fine. Up to midnight tomorrow, if you capture this opportunity which is available right now, my offer is 15,708 only. The idea is, currently the world is facing the coronavirus difficulties, and I want to help as many people as possible at absolutely rock bottom, ridiculously low price, with such a high level program. 15,708 with a lot of support on WhatsApp and curated knowledge on Telegram group, lots of videos pre-recorded, lots of tutorials coming to you, lots of techniques you're going to learn, and absolutely in a non-jargon, non-technical jargon, common sense approach. Common man can understand and earn money. That's exactly what is the offer. Offer is valid up to tomorrow midnight. So tomorrow full day, right now you can pay and book your seat. This is the last intro, no more further things. And from 13th December, that is Sunday evening, we are going to start the program. So this is the further offer in some of our business programs groups. I'm going to put this. And if you are interested, you can, so thank you very much. This completes my PPT. I'll just stop sharing and I'll go live. Okay, those who are interested in this, right now you can raise your hand in the software so that I can note down, and I'll give you the link if you want, or you can contact me on the WhatsApp that you are interested. I'll help you how to register, how to make the payment and all. And people from abroad, if you have any problem, you can use remitly.com. That's becoming much easier. Okay? Otherwise, foreign people, non-Indian people, when you want to pay, it becomes rather difficult and some money is lost. So remitly.com is a better portal from where you can make the payment, and you can contact me for payment part of it. So we'll close it by tomorrow midnight, and anybody who is interested, learn very systematically. You see, my understanding is all along, all the programs I give much more than what I promise. Here also, when I designed this program, what I promised 8 or 9 points is just a beginning. Actually, what I'm going to give you is a lot more. Okay, because I could not put all the things in the syllabus. But when I start delivering, you will see that there's a lot more than what I have promised. My job is to change your mindset, my dear friends, to prepare you for the new journey, which we title as Freedompreneur. And slowly you change your mindset and start working on those lines, because it takes a time. And if you're already active, then you'll be sparing few hours per week and you will start walking. My job is to do hand holding and take you to the journey where you become a freedompreneur. Okay. When this corona crisis is over, we are going to announce the Himalaya camp. All of you want to enjoy 10-day Himalaya camp, but your income keeps coming, you'll be very happy. We can have 4 or 5 such camps every year. That's what we had been doing actually. You see, we had been going, traveling, enjoying life, sometimes South India, sometimes North India, sometimes Bali, Krabi, how many places we enjoyed. Many of you were there. It's such a fun. So if the income keeps coming and you are comfortable, you have time, you can really enjoy life and achieve the mission. The mission is to liberate ourselves, my dear friend. Ultimately, everybody has to liberate. But for liberation, you need freedom, time freedom. And that's what the freedompreneur concept will bring you. Okay, so right now we open it up for question answer. If anybody has any question in the chat box, you can put it. Yes, Mr. Mukund Hunja says, I'm interested. I'll post details to you right now after this meeting, and I'll help you to register. Okay, let me go through all the okay, so Amud Purushothaman has asked, can you tell about the other learning, face-to-face, blended, and the other learning? I want to know which is the other learning. So I teach in many ways. See, I'll tell you what are my models of teaching right now, which are the internationally accepted. Everybody doing the same thing. First is called fully automated, no direct contact. You see, for example, my Swara Yoga level 1 is a fully automated model. You make me payment, I'll put you into the Telegram group, you learn on your own. Everything is available to you. It's a self-learning program, do it yourself kind of a thing. But there also what I found that many people are not learning. You see, they're just paying, which is not my job. I want people to learn. So I have started conducting every month one review meeting for all the people who have done level 1. So when I review, they feel more interested and they start practicing. Otherwise, the joy, the fun aspect of learning is less. So first is a fully automated. Second is a blended, where some kind of recorded videos are there, some tutorial videos are there, some text matter is there, and we use the WhatsApp group for discussion, we use Telegram group for tutorial knowledge, and we have Zoom meetings live like this. Okay, that's the second model of doing it. Third is we do all these things plus we meet personally during the camps, or we meet at the Tower Center, or when I'm traveling abroad, I meet all of you personally and we learn a lot. Okay, so these are the different types of models, Amuda, I'm using. Okay, so Sonia says, is certified life coach program earn 2 to 5 lakhs per month, level 2 program? No, this is level 1 program. Sonia, you already registered for level 2. So level 1 is included in that. You are already registered for this program. So you don't have to do anything. You already registered for level 2 program, which is higher level program. Okay, and that is going to take little time. So I'm going to review the whole thing in this first model. For a common person, this is good. But if you are an expert, if you are a professional, okay, and you are earning thinking of earning 10 lakhs plus, that is where the level 2 will help you. So level 0, anybody interested today, very good offer I'll give you. Okay, I'll come into the mood of giving you offer. Let me first finish the question, then I'll give you the offer. Okay, I think questions are over. Okay, let me go live. Today's offer, anybody who has not done level 1 and you don't know what it is. Okay, I launched level 1 last month only at a ridiculously low price of 708 rupees. If you convert into ringgit or Singapore dollar, you know, you will laugh at the whole thing. Don't laugh, there's a reason. My purpose was to support the Gaushala at our ashram. Okay, we have got 7 cows and 3 more will be adding soon. So 10 cows. We are expanding our Gaushala. So my program was launched only to take care of the cows, which is our dharma. So my offer today is, anybody who has not done, you just transfer 708 rupees to my account. My offer is, I will add 708 from my pocket, double the amount and give it as a donation for the Gaushala. How is the idea? This is how we commit ourselves. You know, my commitment is we must expand the Gaushala, we must help more cows, we must have extra money. So if you pay 708, in which what you are going to do? You are going to learn how to earn 50,000 rupees per month consistently. And this is now a fully automated program. You will get my first meeting video, you see, then there are 3 WhatsApp lessons which are now put onto the Telegram in a very proper manner. And then you will see one more video which gives you the entire thing. It is a fully automated program. So just by donating 708 rupees for Gaushala, for cows, you are going to get a model of what is freedompreneur. This is my freedompreneur model. And I'm going to put 708 equal amount. Okay. If you pay me 1,000 rupees because 708 looks odd to you, or you want to pay 1111, okay, or some Malaysia people, they want to put 888, it's okay. Anything above 708 you can donate to the cows. Whatever you donate, equal amount I'll put from my pocket and it will go for the donation. And you will test the flavor of what is freedompreneurship. So my program you will get. Not only that, with this donation you are going to get my Technology of Total Transformation program, 21 days with 35 videos, absolutely free. Total full big program, absolutely free. You will get one more my video program which is fully automated, 9 videos on law of karma, absolutely free. And one more program free which is 5 videos on relationships, absolutely free. You will get my ebook which is Science of Meditation, absolutely free. Okay, you will get my ebook on Kriya Yoga, Pranapat, Shaktipat, Shivapat, with a 6-step Nirmal Dhyan, absolutely free. All these free gifts you are getting only if you pay 708 rupees for Gaushala. You see, because I'm absolutely committed to my program and I want you to experience all these things. That's why all these free gifts are there. And you can shift to the level 2, which is 15,708, and you learn systematically. Not only that, I want to create a lot of teachers of Freedompreneur. You learn and you teach. All the masters of On-Prem Sangha must promote Freedompreneurship, this program, and I want you to teach this concept to others. There's a huge demand in the world. This is a hidden concept. Not many people know. You see, all of us, because we went to school and college and we learned, and then you have to get a degree, and then you have to join the job. It's like a hypnosis. The whole world is hypnotized by that model. Freedompreneurship is my model. I want to teach some spiritual values through this. I want to help the humanity and create a new trend altogether. Okay. So not only you should learn, but you should teach your children, your grandchildren, your friends, your relatives. And if you are a good teacher, please reach out to more number of people and promote this concept of freedompreneurship, because the whole world needs it. That's what the whole program is. Let me see the chat. Hem Joshipura asking, can I pay via Paytm? Yes, you can pay via Paytm. I'm putting my number 9619527572. 9619527572. This is my Paytm number. You can very well transfer 708 through Paytm. So Mohan Khire is asking time limit for paying 708 tomorrow evening. Tomorrow midnight, I'm going to close this thing. This price will not be same. This will be much higher. Okay. I'm giving you 48,000 worth program at 15,708 because this is the special offer for, it's called Corona off. Okay. And I'm in a mood to give, so I'm giving you so many freebies with that. But this offer is valid only for tomorrow midnight. So you pay today. Banks are Indian people, no issue. Foreign people, when you pay, use the Remitly and it will come to me tomorrow. Don't schedule it for 5 days and all. Make payment immediately through Remitly. Okay. So you get the full benefit. Hem Joshipura, it's there in the chat just above, whatever you are. Okay, Guruma, put it once again. All right. So if you have any question, you can put it in chat box. I'll answer you right now. If you have any doubt about freedompreneurship model, please ask. Okay, we got last 5 minutes. And please understand my intention. 2 things I'm trying to achieve right now. One is donate as much as we can for the cows, because I want to take care for the future also. That's my mission. That's part of my being. Okay, taking care of cows is a dharma. Absolutely, we need to do that. Second thing, we want to create richest conscious community. On-prem Sangha, every member must have ample money, ample time to enjoy life, walk the path of liberation, do spiritual practices. And that is why you have to become the freedompreneur. It will help you to become liberated. Okay. If you are having a 9 to 6 job, couple of hours in traveling, you have hardly any energy. How will you do meditation? How will you do spiritual practices? Not possible, because the tension of the job and your normal business is so very heavy. And by the time you retire, your brain cells are not supporting you. So the life is gone, my dear friends. Such a wonderful gift from God. The life is wasted. With this concept of freedompreneurship, we can actually enhance the quality of our life. So Mohan Khire is asking, only level 1 with 708 can be done. Absolutely, Mohan Khire, you can pay 708. I will immediately put you into the Telegram group. You are on your own, absolutely fully automated program. And you will understand what do I mean by freedompreneurship, how the automated programs work, how much you are enjoying, and have a feel of it. Then you try to create on your own something similar to that. It is a model to be duplicated. It's an open invitation. All our on-prem Sangha members, use your talent and duplicate the model, create your own program and start selling. If you have some extra money, you can do charity, you can meet your mission, you do what you like, okay, or you go for the world tour, meet your friends anywhere in the world, amazing things. Okay, Amuda is asking what is 708, what is 15,500? No, it's not 15,500, it's 15,708. Level 0 program, okay, which is a 5-day automated program, and 708 rupees goes for the Gaushala, but you get a full program with lots of other free programs. So that is level 0. And level 1 program is 15,708. The time limit for the payment is up to tomorrow midnight. Okay, because I understand a lot of people have, and the banks are not working, transferring takes its own time. So tomorrow midnight is the time limit. Normally, this kind of program, they will give you a time limit of half an hour maximum. They give you a link. Okay, but that's not our way of doing it. I want to make you comfortable. If you have any question, you can still ask me afterward also, and you can join the program, learn, become the master, and teach. That is the tradition we want to create in On-Prem Sangha, and very healthy philosophy, enlightened billionaire philosophy. Live life 100% material, live life 100% spiritual, live life 200% God size. That is what is our motto of enlightened billionaire, and enjoy life to the fullest. So earn ample money, have ample time, enjoy life, get liberated. Don't have to come back on the planet Earth with no desires unfulfilled. When you have sufficient money, you can fulfill your desires, you can do whatever you want to do, and that is the way. Okay, so Sonia says, thank you. Neha says, Guruji, is there any spiritual significance behind number 708? Yes, Neha. The spiritual significance of figure 708, let me tell you, all those who are not knowing, I'm a spiritual scientist for last 5 to 6 years, neck deep into the research on frequencies, sound healing, and elemental vibrational therapy. As a scientist, I produce a tremendous amount of result. 708 hertz. 708 hertz is money attraction frequency. Okay. So when you donate 708 rupees and I put 708 rupees from my pocket, we are creating the environment of prosperity. Prosperity vibrations for all. All the On-Prem Sangha members must enjoy the prosperity through 708 hertz money attraction frequency. And I also created a device, it's called a tune pipe. You play that pipe and you get proper 708 hertz frequency. If you soak yourself into those vibrations, you actually change your consciousness, change your mindset, and you become the money magnet. You start attracting the steady stream of money, and you don't have to struggle unnecessarily for small things in life. Your consciousness shifts in a very big way. Yes, Sonia, you can procure it in Canada. I will ship it to anywhere in the world. Now we have got the tie-up with the courier, and anywhere I can supply you, no problem. Whatever the courier charges are there, that is extra. And yes, pure love frequency, money frequency, there are lots of things. At least 250 different frequencies are available where you can actually buy these devices and enjoy the life. These are the miracle devices, okay? And proper science is there. It's tested. Thousands of people will vouch for it, and a lot more further research is also going on. All of you are welcome to join the revolution that we are doing. As a spiritual scientist, amazing knowledge. You see, for example, right now I'm teaching Science of Miracles. One batch is going on every Thursday. It's a 4-month program which is going on. Another 2 batches are going on where I'm teaching Tattva Gyan now. That is the level 2 of Swara Yoga. And people are enjoying. They're understanding now how to know the Tattva, how to amass the wealth using the knowledge of Tattva. All this is a noetic science, the science of consciousness. Once our consciousness grows, then lots of good things are possible. All right, Mohan Khire, for the pipe and all, I'll contact you personally. Because right now we don't have much time, so I'll end this meeting. Those who are interested, do contact me on WhatsApp. I will tell you all about the pipes and send you the link how to make the payment, and we will ship you wherever you are in India. Absolutely no issue. For foreign, we will give you the special quotation because the courier charges may be a bit high as the volume is more than the weight. So there's a formula, because the packet becomes a little bit bulky. The courier charges are a bit more. So for people who are from USA, Canada, Singapore, we will quote you separately for the courier charges. We'll give you the full set and give you full detail. Okay, I'm just making a small write-up, and those who are interested, I will post you all the details about the MoneyPipe. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for attending this program, and we will keep in touch this way, that way, whichever way. My commitment is to create Om-Prem Sangha, the richest conscious communities. Anytime I feel I'm free, I will send you a link. Whosoever is there, please do join in. No matter what title, we are going to learn something wonderful. Okay, so keep learning, keep enjoying life. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye. Over to Guruma for Shanti part. Let's settle in this energy.
So keep learning, keep earning, and keep enjoying. That's what will keep you in the flow of life. And only if we are in the flow of life will there be a real joy of living. If the life starts stagnating, the joy vanishes. You've seen Guruji's enthusiasm, the way enthusiastically any topic it may be, but his enthusiasm and zeal for it is amazing. That's the quality. Even if you learn that quality, the life will be a different life. Let's all of us have that zeal, that enthusiasm, and make this life a wonderful life. Why? Because if we are at peace and if we are enjoying life, we can contribute to many others on this globe, and the globe needs it very badly now. So let's all become the channels of transformation for all the humanity. With Shantipat, we commit ourselves to make our lives wonderful and to contribute to all on the globe. Om Sarvesham Swastirbhavatu Sarvesham Shantirbhavatu Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhino Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kashit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let all the miseries from life go off. Let learning happen and let everyone's life become wonderful. Let auspiciousness prevail all over. Thanks to all of you.
Subscribe to this channel for more learnings from Guruji Prem Nilmal. Press the bell icon to get notifications for new videos. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends on social media. Post your queries below and we will respond. Thank you.